Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your virus and threat protection is managed by your organization error in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to bring up our small window called Run. So by that, please proceed at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up this small window called Run. Here, please type for regedit. Again, type for regedit. It is regedit. Once you're done, click on OK to navigate to the registry editor. Now, before you can proceed, simply click on yes when your user account control would ask you to say yes so that you would be able to bring up the small window called registry editor. Now, once you are here, please look at the upper left side of that. You can see there a list of keys where here you need to proceed with hkey underscore local underscore machine. Once done, double tap to it and locate for software. Okay. Double tap once again, and here at the software, you need to locate for policies. So I can see it here. Double tapped once again and look for Microsoft. Okay, double tapped once again, and by here you need to locate for Windows Defender. Okay, so select your Windows Defender. Okay, and the moment you do that, you would be able to see here at the center screen a different value. Again, we have just been into hkey underscore local underscore machine, then we navigate to software, then we proceed on policies, then we go with Microsoft, and when we selected with Windows Defender. So here at the Windows Defender, look for disable anti-spyware. Again, look for disable anti-spyware. Now, the reason why you face an error is that you have that one. Okay? Again, disable anti-spyware. Please bear in mind, disable anti-spyware. So let me just show you so that you won't have any confusion. Okay? Let me just type the name first. Okay? Okay, let me just type it here. It is disable. So please locate this one, which is disable anti-spyware. And the moment you do that, you just have to delete it. Okay, delete it. Once you have deleted it, you can now close all of these paths. So close all of these paths that you have. Okay. And close the registry editor window as well and restart your computer. So navigate to the start icon, click on restart, go with your power menu options, go with restart. And the moment you do that, the moment you've relaunched your Windows again, check if your problem has been fixed. So navigate to the taskbar, click on this forward arrow, click in this shield icon to navigate to your Windows Defender security. Here, please look for virus and threat protection. Look for it and check if the error still persists. I'm sure it will be removed or it will be fixed this time. Okay? So you can now close the window and you're good to go. So hopefully this video helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.